Discover fabulous townhome living in the Johns Landing-Lair Hill area. This end-unit townhome is located just south of downtown, a fantastic location where you can walk to the pedestrian bridge to the South Waterfront. You'll find beautiful bamboo floors throughout the main level, a cozy fireplace with built-ins, and an open concept floor plan. The kitchen features all stainless appliances, a subway tile backsplash, a large island with a gas cooktop, and bar seating. Double doors open to the inviting terrace, surrounded by trees and with Mount Hood views. On the upper level, relax in one of 2 spacious master suites on this level, complete with city views. The full bath includes a dual sink vanity, a walk-in closet, and a large shower. You'll find a second master suite with a full bath as well. On the lower level, a spacious suite with an outside entrance makes a great guest quarters or rental. It also has a full bath. Just off the garage, you'll find a large storage room with a sink. Living here, you'll love the convenient location near downtown and all of the city's amenities. Plus, a lovely common area includes 8 guest parking spaces. Come see the style and functionality of this wonderful townhome. It's all here on Corbett Avenue in Portland. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.